Manipur delivered an impressive performance at the 5th Wako India Open International Kickboxing Cup 2026, clinching a total of 8 medals, including 2 golds, 3 silvers and 3 bronze. The tournament was held from February 4 to 8 in New Delhi under the aegis of the United Association of Kickboxing Organization, Manipur. The Manipur contingent, comprising 2 officials and 7 players, received a warm welcome upon their return today. In the children's 21 kg category, Pinahibi Kaidem secured a gold medal, while Khagemba Maite clinched bronze. In the same group, Pari Moirangtham bagged 1 gold and 1 silver medals in the older cadets 52 kg category. Konjengbam Yaifaba won bronze in the older cadet 42 kg category, with Thongam Koronganba also claiming bronze in the same divisions. Ngoba Fanjobam earned silver medals in the veteran 63 kg category. Ningtojam Yaifaba served as the team coach, while Khangembam Basanta officiated as referee during the competition.